If your Android keyboard is slowing you down because it isn't guessing what you're about to type, here is exactly how to fix it and turn on predictive text in under a minute. Typing every single letter manually is an absolute chore, and it is usually happening because your suggestion settings were toggled off during a software update or a keyboard reset. Let's get your speed back. To start, unlock your phone and swipe up from your home screen to access your app drawer. You are looking for the Settings app, which is the icon that looks like a gear. If you don't see it immediately among your apps, don't waste time hunting for it manually. Just use the toolbar at the top of the screen and click on Settings icon. Once you have the Settings menu open, you are going to scroll down until you find the section labeled General Management. This is the hub for your language and input preferences. Tap into that and then look for your keyboard settings. If you cannot find it, just type the Gboard or Samsung Keyboard in the search bar. Most modern Androids use Gboard as the default, so we will focus there. So now, click on the on-screen keyboard and then select the Gboard. Inside the keyboard settings menu, you need to find the section titled Text Correction or Suggestions. This is where the magic happens. Once you're in this submenu, you will see a list of toggles. The most important one to enable is the suggestion strip. When this is on, a bar will appear above your keys that offers word predictions in real time. To make the keyboard even smarter, you should also toggle on Next Word Suggestions, which uses the context of your previous word to guess what comes next. I also highly recommend enabling Smart Compose if your phone allows it. This is a more advanced feature that provides predictive phrases as you type in certain apps like Gmail or Messages, allowing you to just swipe or tap to finish an entire sentence. The reason your phone wasn't doing this before is likely due to prediction cache issues or a simple configuration oversight where the suggestion strip was disabled to save screen real estate. By turning these back on, you're allowing the keyboard's local machine learning to start recognizing your unique typing patterns again. Now it is time to test it out. Open an app where you can type, like Chrome or your messaging app. As soon as you type the letter H, you should see Hi, Hello, or Hey pop up in that strip above the letters. You can now just tap the word instead of typing the rest. It is faster, more accurate, and saves your thumbs the extra work. If this quick fix helped you get your typing speed back to 100%, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more direct, no-fluff Android guides. I look forward to helping you master your device in the next one.